If you're an expert in RF power measurement, you've probably seen this 70-year-old Bird 43 wattmeter before. The Bird 43 is a long-standing industry favorite. It is simple, durable, and very reliable. It requires no external power and is the go-to for measuring RF power and VSWR. However, its analog nature has its limitations, and that's where its digital brother, the 4480, comes in. While it maintains the Bird legacy of accuracy, it brings modern features to the table. We'll go through the most obvious differences. The Bird 4480 measures the complete range from 2 to 1000 MHz and 1 watts to 10 kilowatts without changing plugs, with an improved accuracy of 4% across the entire spectrum. This device measures both analog and digital signals, and it calculates VSWR automatically so that you know that your system works correctly within the blink of an eye. Its illuminating screen shows precise digital readings, eliminating guesswork. Due to the USB port in the back, it is connectable to your laptop for data logging or remote readings. It is also future-proof because of software updates and possibly extended features. When the batteries are fully charged, they will last for 8 to 10 hours. So you have one device for all applications. Let's put both meters to the test to experience the differences. We'll measure the output power of a radio. You see that I only need to connect my cable to the meter and load, and I'm ready to go. For the 43, I still have to use my plugs. Also, you will notice how straightforward the results are. Now that I put two loads in parallel, you also notice that the VSWR rises. To conclude, the Bird 43 remains a reliable and cost-effective option for basic RF power measurements, while the 4480 is hassle-free and offers significant upgrades in terms of accuracy and features. Heynen is a trusted sales partner of Bird in the Benelux, so we can guide you to the best solution for your application and provide after-sales support such as calibration and repair. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the links in the description for more information on the Bird 4480 and the Bird 43.